to connect the Wi-Fi sensor through USB cable. Step 1. Open the sensor. Connect the computer and the sensor with a USB cable. Step 2. Open WITMOTION software. Step 3. Fill in WT901 Wi-Fi. Step 4. Click Search Device and the COM port will be automatically searched for. Just check it. When the device cannot be found, you can add it manually. Select the correct COM port and click plus to display it. Check the COM port and you can see the data after the connection is successfully. How to connect directly via Wi-Fi? Step 1. Open the WITMOTION software and turn on the sensor. Step 2. Click the Wi-Fi search on computer. Check the string of numbers starting with WT on the back of the sensor and select the Wi-Fi name the same as this string of numbers and connect. Step 3. Fill in WT901 Wi-Fi. Step 4. Select the correct Wi-Fi name to successfully connect and see the data.